Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in Microsoft Whiteboard. So first you're going to switch to inking mode by clicking on this pen icon, then click on the ruler, and you can also choose which tool you want to use. To rotate this ruler you have three options. The first one is if you have a touchscreen device you can rotate it using your hands. The second option is to scroll using a mouse. The third option is to use a touchpad, which is the hardest option. And what you can do is just pretend that you are rotating something physically on the touchpad and it will rotate the ruler. To draw a straight line, after selecting your pen, you can go to either side of the ruler and then draw a line and it will be straight. If you want to erase a part of the line, you can use an eraser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.